Need a quick, easy, hearty, delicious dinner in just 15 minutes? You gotta try my scrumptious, creamy beef stew over mashed potatoes for about $2.20 a person using only canned and shelf-stable ingredients. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. This is one of my easiest meals to make, seriously. One of my favorite dump dinners. So savory and so filling. I'm making this beef stew over mashed potatoes to serve 5, but check out the recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get the recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people, which is great if you have a big family or just want extra leftovers. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator. If you want this meal on hand ready to go in the pantry, and it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for one meal for 5 people or 20 people for every night for 10 years. Pick your meals and we do all the calculating. Even add to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh cart right from our site, all free. Anyways, let's get started on this beef stew over mashed potatoes. So first we're gonna start our kettle and we're gonna pour an 8-ounce bag of instant mashed potatoes right into a glass bowl. And now we're gonna pour 4 cups of boiling water directly onto our 8 ounces of mashed potatoes. Stir it up, make sure all of the potatoes are mixed in with the water. Once they're all mixed together, we're gonna let them sit and cook for another 5 minutes while we get started on the other ingredients. Now in a medium to large pot, we're gonna combine our other ingredients. We're gonna start with 1 15-ounce can of beef stew, 1 15-ounce can of drained sweet peas, and 1 14.5-ounce can of drained sliced carrots. Now we're gonna turn our stove on medium-high and heat this up. Add a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. Now we're gonna give it a good stir and let it fully heat up, which should take about 5 to 10 minutes. After about 5 to 10 minutes, your meat and veggies should start boiling. Now we can just turn off our heat, and it's as easy as that. Now all we have to do is dish up, scoop some potatoes, and top it with your meat and veggies. And now the only thing left to do is enjoy. So delicious, so hearty and savory. So good. Do you think it could be as easy as that? Let me know in the comments if you need an easy, budget-friendly dinner that's so easy and your family will love it. And be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery list, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time.